Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you an amazing trick that you can do just with the book. It's a mind reading trick, and let's say you're in the library, you're sitting down and you just borrow a book and amaze people with that trick. So yeah, let's get into the performance and then I'll show you the tutorial after that. Alright guys, so let's say you're just hanging out and this kid just comes in and he happens to have a book.
Well, hello,
and,
I have a book.
Yeah, and do you guys remember this guy from my Mentalism video? He's Brandon Lewis. Go and check that Mentalism video that I posted, link right up there, okay? So, we're gonna try something with this book, okay? Yeah, let's take this book, and it's a normal book, it's a nice book. So yeah, I'm gonna riffle through the book like that, and he can say stop whenever he feels like it. So go ahead and say stop. Stop. Okay, right over there. And go ahead and look at that. I'm not gonna look, I'm gonna start over. Yeah, kind of focus it there. Okay, this is a pretty good book. Yeah, I should actually check it out. And you talk about the book, and it's a real nice book. And whenever you want, you can read his mind. So you all have a word in mind, and I'm gonna try to read your mind. So it's like a thing you do like when you go to like Bear Grylls does it, like survival. Yeah, survival, yeah. So that's how simple this trick is. Just ruffle through the book, they can say stop, they look at the word, and boom, you just read your mind, read their mind. It's that simple, and we'll go to the tutorial. Alright guys, we're back in my place, and we're doing the tutorial for the trick. So, I ruffled through the book, and Brandon calls stop whenever you want. And he looked at the first word of the page number he stopped at, and I was not looking the whole time, okay? And whenever he said, yeah, I looked at it, I closed up the book, and I finally read what word he has in mind. So it's a really great trick. So you have the book, and you riffle through it, and he can say stop anywhere he wants, okay? It's completely up to him, okay? Let's say he says stop right here. Okay, and you tell him to look at the first word of that page. Okay, in this case we have what is it? Yeah, ironic, and you tell them to look at the title, not like in some books, you know, they have like like words next to the page number, or they might look at the words below the title, like these. Tell them to just look at the title, okay? And they look at it, and whenever they want, they can say, yes, I looked at it, and you close up the book. And this is where all the fishy stuff happens. While they said they looked at the word, when you're closing up the book, and you're saying, did you get the word? You got it? And when you're saying that, they get misdirected. And what you're doing is you're looking directly at the page next to it, so this page. So they're looking at this word, but when you close up the book, you're looking at this page, and this page is 83. So now you know that this page must be 82 because this page is right above it, right? Or right next to it, okay? So they're looking here, they said, yeah, I got the word, and you say, are you sure you got the word? And when you're closing the book, you get a peek at the page next to it, which is 83. So now you know the page they looked at is 82. And you say, you're sure you got it? Now you know the page number, but you don't know the word. How do you get the word? If you guys saw in the performance, I was like, yeah, this is a nice book, I gotta check it out. And I just riffled through the book casually. That's what it looks like. But I'm actually trying to find the page number 82. So I'm casually going through the book. I found 82 right here, and I get the word ironic, and I still go. I just don't look at my information and quickly close the book. That looks suspicious. I really act like I'm going through the book, and I comment on it, say, yeah, this is a nice book, I gotta pick it up, stuff like that. Now I know the word, okay? And it's that clever, okay? And finally, you can tell them to look at your eyes and predict what that word was. If you guys didn't get that trick, I'll do it again. I'll actually, explain it again right now. So they say stop anywhere they want. Let's say they stop right here, and they look at the first word. In this case, it's money, but you don't know. You look away, and when you're closing the book, you look at the page number next to it, which is 195. I'm sorry. So you now know that the word right behind it, or the page number they're looking at, is 194. Okay, so you close up the book, and now you know the page number is 194. And you act like you're reading their mind, but before that you say, oh, I'm sorry, I gotta actually check this book out. And you're slowly going through the book, but what you're actually doing is going to page 194 and peeking at the word money. And don't just look at the information, close the book. That looks suspicious, as I said before. Keep looking at it, comment on it, say, yeah, this is a nice book, stuff like that. Whenever you want, read their mind and say that word is money. Bring a lot of focus to that, the mind reading part. So yeah, that's pretty much the trick. If you guys still didn't get it, go back, rewatch the video. So yeah, rewatch the video if you guys didn't get it. If you guys got it, perform it or rehearse it a couple of times and then perform it. You'll get great reactions. So that's pretty much the trick. Hope you guys liked it, and subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button below. Click the bell button if you want notifications when my videos get uploaded. And go ahead and comment below what video you guys should see next, and like this video. And peace.